Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hamza from Learn Arabic with Hamza. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to use the demonstrative pronoun that in Arabic language. So if you are new here, click like and subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. If you have any comments or questions, write to me below this video. So let's get started. In English, we use that to talk about both of masculine singular and feminine singular. But this is not correct in Arabic language. So in Arabic language, we use ذلك. So practice ذلك for masculine singular. Okay? For masculine singular. Again. So we use ذلك for masculine singular. Okay, and tilka, so practice tilka for feminine singular. Again, so we use tilka for feminine singular. Okay, so let me give you some examples. So if I want to say that is my room, that is my room. So here room is a feminine, okay, is a feminine. So I'm gonna use tilka, okay, so I'm going to use tilka. So tilka هي غرفتي. So here the room is غرفة, okay. So tilka means that, is means هي, my room means غرفتي. Okay, so that is my room. تلك هي غرفتي. Another example. That girl is Moroccan. Okay, that girl is Moroccan. So here the girl is a feminine noun. So I'm going to use تلك. So تلك الفتاة مغربية. Okay, تلك الفتاة مغربية. So that means tilka because the girl is a feminine, so I'm going to use tilka. So tilka means that, girl means الفتاة أو البنت, is Moroccan means مغربية. So that girl is Moroccan. Another example. Look at that tree. Look at that tree. So here the tree is a feminine noun. So look means انظر. Look. انظر. At means إلى. That means تلك. Tree means الشجرة. So look at that tree. انظر إلى تلك الشجرة. Look at that tree. انظر إلى تلك الشجرة. So practice. انظر إلى تلك الشجرة. Great. So now let's move to ذلك. Okay, so ذلك, we use it with singular masculine. ذلك. In English we say give me that pen. Give me that pen. So here pen is a masculine. Okay, is a masculine noun. So I'm gonna use what? ذلك. So give me means اعطني. That means ذلك. Pen means القلم. اعطني ذلك القلم. Great. So give me that pen means اعطني ذلك القلم. Another example. That boy is my friend. That boy is my friend. So boy is a masculine. Okay, is a masculine. So I'm going to use ذلك. So ذلك الولد هو صديقي. So that means ذلك. Boy means الولد or الفتى. So boy means الولد or الفتى. Okay, is my friend. So is means هو. My friend means صديقي. Good. Another example. I love that man. I love that man. Okay, so he man is a masculine. So I'm going to use ذلك. So I love means أحب or أنا أحب. That means ذلك. Man means a رجل. So أنا أحب ذلك الرجل. أنا أحب ذلك الرجل. I love that man. Great. If you guys want like these videos, please in the comments tell me about your questions or a doubt or anything you didn't understand in the video. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching, and please take a moment to click like and subscribe, and if you can share this video with your friends, I will be eternally grateful. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.